Where you going, girl? To the pharmacy to get my prescriptions. The pharmacist's gonna be like, okay. Hey y'all, I know I look like I've been sleeping because I've been sleeping. This is the real world and people sleep. And this is what they look like when they wake up. Anyway, I got my wig from SIYUN Show. Here is the bag that it comes with. Boop, boop. And it just came in a box. A random box. I want to say I ordered the one where it comes US to US or something like that. So I was just like, oh, what in the world is this? All right, so inside of our magical bag, we have me-colored stocking caps. We have a nice satin edge scarf. And this is lovely that they add this for free because a lot of companies nowadays, they want to charge you for a little edge scarf. What else Grandma got in this bag? Okay, so the last thing in the bag is the actual wig. And I ordered a 13x6, 180 density, 24-inch body wave. So I saw another YouTuber. Her name is Love Reese. Hey girl. I just started subscribing to her channel because I saw her tutorial on a skunk stripe, and homegirl, I'm telling you, she's a queen of the Pepe Le Oooohs, okay? She is mean with the skunk stripe. I'm gonna try to insert a picture of her with the skunk stripe. Girl, don't sue me because I used your likeness. I want to be friends, even though you're way bigger than I am. Okay, so here's our wig. And I like how they have it in the little 3D thing to keep its shape. And that way you can also see the plucked hairline. So it looks like they did a good job plucking this hairline. I am going to go in and bleach the knots on this unit. Even though I usually don't do that. But y'all, I really want to get that look that she got because her skunk stripe was popping. And I want to say, I think hers was the prettiest skunk stripe I've seen. So yeah, she bleached her knots, so I'm gonna bleach the knots. Okay, now I didn't get my wig from the same place because, you know, I got disability money, so but I got what I could afford. Oh, this hair feels nice though. Okay, SIYUN Show, so this hair feels like butter. Very nice. Lovely body wave pattern, which, you know, will get washed away. However, it is very lovely right now. Like I said, this hair feels bomb. So here is my 13x6 frontal that I requested. And as you can see, you get a very large amount of parting space in the middle. However, on the sides, y'all, you get about an inch. No, that's faux. That's false. I would say you get about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of space near where the combs are on the side. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots on this wig. And then I will see you guys again when I do the skunk stripe. Pepe Le Oooh. Alright guys, so this video is a little lengthy, but this look, it's a little difficult. I ain't gonna lie. So I've already parted the front section of my hair, and I've parted about 2.5 inches. I wanted to have a nice thick stripe area in the front, and then I have my little boxed out area on the opposite side. So you're gonna put on your gloves, and you're just gonna section out wherever you want to section out. Like, this is one of those styles where it's very whatever you want to do. I have some see-through foil that I got from my beauty supply store near me. And you are just gonna mix up your bleach. For me, I used BW2 and Volume 40 Developer. So you're gonna mix that up till you have a really nice consistency. And I usually like to let mine oxidize for like a couple of minutes. I find that the bleaching works best that way. Alright, so I'm gonna start in thin sections. I put a little bit of bleach on my foil, and to be honest, you guys, I haven't done foils in so many years. Like, most of my colors have been full colors, so yeah, I was real rusty, especially when I first started off. And trying to get my groove back with these foils, but I got it done, and yeah, I think it turned out good. So you're just gonna go through in small sections and go ahead and paint your bleach on. If you want to do roots, you can do that. I did wind up doing roots, but mine are like just a slightly lighter brown. But I didn't want to go for a black root because it doesn't really look that flattering on me, I think. So I don't go that route. But yeah, I'm just going in and painting that on. And you want to make sure you get all the strands very well. Even though it's a small section of hair, you would be surprised. Like, I don't know why it took me so long to do these little sections of hair. But I was able to get this whole color job done in a day. It took about 6 hours. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It wasn't straight through. I stopped for snackums and to do other stuff. But yeah, you're just gonna make sure you get that on. And as you can see, this hair started turning really fast. Like, it's good hair for coloring. I'll give them that. All right, so right here, I am just wiping any areas where bleach got on the hair. And I have a towel that just has some alcohol on it, and that helps to remove the bleach. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the bottom, but you don't have to be nearly as meticulous on the bottom because, you know, it's the bag. So you're just gonna go through and coat that hair, and since that hair was longer, I was really having difficulties with these really short foils that I got from the beauty store. But I wound up getting it to work just fine. So yeah, you're just gonna work it through. And I let my bleach sit on for about 35-40 minutes for the first round. All right, guys, we have our foils in and we are good to go. So I am just leaving them to process, and I will see you back. This was after 35 minutes. All right, so now we're going in and doing our second round of bleach. And after assessing the hair after the first round of bleach, it still felt good. But I was worried about trying to reach a super light platinum blonde, just because I wasn't sure if this hair could take it. I know Reese, when she did her tutorial, she used hair from Yolissa, which is definitely a much higher, you know, it's a much higher graded company and a higher quality of hair. So she's able to get hers to a 613 and it still looked beautiful and flowy and manageable. But as good a quality as this hair feels, I just didn't really trust it. So I left the hair a little bit damp when I put my bleach on, just so that it wouldn't eat away right away. And so for this second round, I just went on ahead and painted it on the same way. And I left that probably for about another 30 or 35 minutes. And once again, any bleach that gets anywhere on the hair, you can just wipe that off with some alcohol. All right, hey Firebirds, I just wanted to show you the wig. This is after I bleached it twice, and I hit it with some purple shampoo. And this is what the color came out as, and I got my little patch in the back. I think it came out really, really pretty because I didn't want it to be just a one-dimensional blonde, and I really suck when it comes to the dark root situation. But anyway, I just wanted to show you what it looks like before I cut the lace off. And the lace is actually like pretty much the perfect fit for my head, so I can just cut it off and we'll be good. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I cut the lace off of the front and that little piece in the back. And I just put some really loose curls in this unit with my flat iron. All right, so I'm gonna use my favorite glue to lay this one, and that is the Eben Wonder Lace Bond, the one in the red bottle. This one is a fire. All right guys, so I put on my glue. I am just smoothing it out and just talking my life away, just having the greatest time with me. So now I'm doing a second layer of this glue. Some of the other ones I've had to do like 3 or 4 layers. This one is actually pretty good with 2. And because the lace is so thin, you really like, this lace is bomb. I'm not even gonna lie. It's some of the best lace that I've had. And now I can say I've been wearing this wig for roughly about I'm sorry, that's a lie. I've been wearing this wig for about a week now, and it's been glued down, so it's been on, and it's been wonderful. All right, so now we're gonna pop this puppy on down and just put it down into place. I don't really know what I want to do as far as baby hairs go with this unit yet. I think the color is already exciting enough to where I don't need to do a whole lot. I like to use, tweezers or something to lay my wig down like you see me doing. And that way I can pluck at the same time if I need to. I did cut some light layers into this hair, just so that my bang area will look good. And I will say the texture of this hair, I don't remember the texture if it even listed it down, but I'm pretty certain it's Indian hair. As far as the way it acts and as far as how it feels. With that being said, it is a very lightweight type of hair. And if you don't layer it, your curls will fall. So please make sure you layer your hair. And even with this, it does not hold a curl long term. Even if I put holding spray, it always falls into beautiful waves. But yeah, you're not gonna have a tight curl with this hair. Where you going, girl? To the pharmacy to get my prescriptions. The pharmacist is gonna be like, okay. Like, don't mind me. I'm just here to get my prescriptions. And they already be looking at me like I'm a disabled liar. Like, you can't be disabled and be cute. Like, what is that about? I step out the car and the people be looking like, look at that liar. is not one of our people, and I promise you I am. I promise you I am. But I say that to say this, people, if you are going through something, let that be personal. Don't let that show in your appearance. Like, get it together. The camera. All right, so here is our completed look. I think this is a fire. Like, straight fire. I'm in love with this harsh ass contrast. Is everything, and this is so different from anything that I've done before. So yeah, you guys, check out SIYUN Show Hair. This is not sponsored. Once again, this is not sponsored. This is me spending my disability money. Don't tell my boyfriend I'm spending money that I don't have. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later.